Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Paris public transport. First, familiarize yourself with the various options available, such as the metro, bus, and tram. The metro is ideal for quick trips within the city, while the RER connects Paris to its suburbs and airports. Buses and trams offer scenic routes and cover areas not reached by the metro. Knowing your destination's zone is crucial for purchasing the right ticket. Purchasing your tickets is straightforward. Look for vending machines at any metro or RER station, which offer options in multiple languages. You can also buy tickets from staffed counters during operating hours. A single T-Plus ticket costs about Euros 2.15 and allows for one journey. For longer stays, a Navigo Découverte Pass provides unlimited travel across all zones for a week or month, offering great value. Navigating the system is quite intuitive once you understand the basics. Follow the clear signage within stations to find your desired metro line or RER platform. Always remember to validate your ticket or pass at the turnstiles before boarding. For buses, tap your pass or validate your ticket upon entry. Utilize official transport apps or Google Maps to plan your journeys efficiently and view real-time updates. Here are a few essential tips for a smooth experience. Always keep your validated ticket until you have completely exited the station, as inspectors conduct checks and fines can be substantial. Try to travel during off-peak hours, typically between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m., to avoid the busiest crowds. Also, remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy exploring Paris.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.